Inflation. It's a silent force that shapes the economies, impacts your savings, and challenges your investments. Join us as financial expert Mr. Hariharan, who breaks down the complexities of inflation and reveals the strategies to protect and grow your wealth. Ready to take control of your financial future? Let's dive in.
What is the impact of inflation? Obviously, inflation will reduce the purchasing power. All of us know that, we are witness to that. So with 1,000 rupees, if we have gone last year to buy certain goods and services, with the same 1,000 rupees, if we go today, we might get lesser number of goods and services. So it reduces the purchasing power of money. So we end up paying more for the same goods and services. What inflation also does is it reduces the value of Indian rupee, because our goods becomes expensive. So you would get, there's a depreciation in the Indian rupee. All right. On the other hand, when inflation goes up, you will find that interest rates will go up. So it's an important thing to note for all of us that inflation and interest rates generally go hand in hand. So if inflation rises, you will also find interest rates going up. Classic example, 2000, I think 10, 11, 12. FD rates, if you have been doing fixed deposits, you have been doing FD in the past, you would know that those days, FD used to give 10, 11%. Today, FD rates are about 7%. Now, people say that, FD was giving 10%, has come down to 7%. What people don't realize is that at that point in time, inflation was in double digits. 12, 13%. Okay. So you are getting FD with it, which is 10%. Inflation was again also double digit, 10 to 11, 12, 13%. Today, inflation has come down to say 5, 6%. Interest rates have also come down to 7%. All right. So interest rates and inflation generally go hand in hand. Now, this is important for people who are looking at traditional investments. If you're looking at traditional investments, this is an important indicator to suggest that if inflation goes up, interest rates will catch up and they will also generally tend to go up.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubts regarding this or any other financial decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial experts. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.